So Samsung has recently announced their Galaxy Z Fold 8, a very unique foldable phone overall. But is it waterproof? In short answer, no, it isn't. Rather, it is water resistant. It has IP48 rating, you might say. So what does that actually mean? Well, water resistance is explained by these IP ratings, which show a device's enclosure protection against solid particles or even water. In this case, the first number is 4. Technically speaking, a rating of 4 means the device is protected against solid foreign objects greater than 1 mm in size, such as most wires, cylinder screws, or larger ends. However, it is not fully dust-tight like the 6 rating for the normal slab smartphones, meaning the fine dust, dirt, or even tiny particles can still get inside the phone and cause a pimple or even proper damage. And because of this, it is not recommended for gardening use while gardening, where fine soil and dirt can easily bypass the seals, or taking it to the beach side where blowing sand can get in it and damage the intricate hinge, or even potentially jamming the mechanism or scratching the internal screen. And then there is the second number, in this case 8. That means the device can resist water up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes according to Samsung. And this is based on the lab test conditions for submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, but also in fresh water. So the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is not going to get affected by water immersion up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, but then I'm only talking about the fresh water here. And the test also has been done inside the laboratory. So the real life scenarios will always be different. And if you're thinking about the chemical water, the salt water, or beverages, then these things can actually damage the components inside, and they won't be covered under warranty. So in simple answer, you can do a light shower with it, you can take it to the swimming pool if you want, but you can't go diving with it. Rain is fine, but you shouldn't swim with it. It is also not recommended for beach, pool, or garden use. And on top of everything else, this IP rating is only good for a few years when the phone is almost new. Over the years of wear and tear, the seal will also get damaged, and there is a good chance your phone will get affected by water or even dust. So yeah, that's the IP48 rating for the Galaxy Z Fold 8.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.